Work performance data, information and reports. Work performance data, work performance information and work performance reports are important concepts in project management. Typically, work performance reports provide a general view that helps to understand if a project is performing as it is planned or is deviated from the original plan. From this aspect, performance reports are very important project documents for both project managers and stakeholders. They provide a clear picture of the project's current performance. What is work performance data? Work performance data is the raw observations and measurements related to the project's status. They are the inputs to create the work performance information. What is work performance information? Work performance information is the processed work performance data. Work performance information is the input of work performance reports. Status of deliverables, the status of change requests, and forecasted estimates to complete are some of the examples of work performance information. Work performance reports. In order to evaluate the project's current performance, stakeholders need feedback from the project team. These feedbacks generally include the comparisons of plan and actual figures. They can be collected to analyze a project's resource efficiency, direct costs and indirect costs, and schedule variance. Work performance reporting is a process of monitoring and controlling project works that provide inputs to several controlling and managing processes. Simply put, performance reports are the inputs of the below processes. Integrated change control. Manage communication. Control procurement. Manage project team. Control risks. Basically, work performance reports may include any type of information related to parameters and updates on the project's progress. Below are some of the information that can be used to create work performance reports. Planned value of the performed work. Completed and remaining work quantity. Earned value. Actual costs. Cost variance. Schedule variance. Cost performance index. Schedule performance index. Delays on the critical path. Major identified risks. Major approved and received change requests, claims. Quality performance. And other related important forecasts and issues. Contents of work performance reports. Work performance reports may include but not limited to the following project information. Completed percentage of work. Project performance analysis. The remaining quantity of work to be completed. Forecasted funds to complete the schedule. Forecasted time to complete the schedule. Status of the major change requests and approved changes. Current status of the major project milestones. Major identified risks. Work performance data versus work performance information versus work performance reports. Performance reporting, which uses various tools and techniques, is one of the most important processes in project communication management. It involves gathering data, collecting project information, comparing the plan and the actual project status, calculating the current and estimating the future performance, and other related practices. Simply put, reports are communication tools that improve the project teams' and stakeholders' decision-making. According to the project communication plan, work performance reports are used to communicate and discuss issues related to performance, cost, quality, resources, delays, risks with the stakeholders. If the stakeholders decide that the project is behind the schedule, above the budget, they may decide to take corrective actions. The distribution of performance reports should be done as per the project communication management plan. In conclusion, the work performance data is nothing but the performance data points of the project that project manager collects during the execution process group. On the other hand, comparing the baseline project performance data against the current, actual, project performance data will output the work performance information. Eventually, several project documents use this work performance information to produce work performance reports.